Now to the latest on the coronavirus here locally. Health Director Annette Rodriguez says it should be obvious to anyone that COVID is easily passing from one person to another right now. So the concern right now is there enough staff to handle this surge?
Yeah, Rodriguez tells 3 News the rapid spread was something that was anticipated by health officials because they're sure the Omicron variant is causing the latest surge. Tonight, Michael Gibson has more on what health officials are doing to try and keep this under control. That includes at least a half dozen new requests by our local hospitals to the state for more medical staff to be brought in.
Our local health officials anticipated that we would again see another COVID surge. This time, it's due to the Omicron variant. That's why our hospitals recently made at least a half dozen requests to the state for more medical staff to be brought into our area.
All of the hospitals are asking for additional nurses. They're asking for additional a respiratory therapist. We're also asking for additional testing kits.
Health District Director Annette Rodriguez says everyone's preparing for the worst but hoping for the best. That as our COVID positive numbers continue to rise. But Director Rodriguez says she's also looking closely at the increasing number of people having to be hospitalized.
2 weeks ago, we had 33 hospitalizations. Yesterday, I think it was closer to 60 hospitalizations, and these are COVID specific. And so I'm looking more at, are the hospitalizations with COVID patient numbers going up? The answer is yes, but it's not as rapid as we saw with Delta.
County Judge Barbara Canales tells 3 News that our transmission rate for the COVID virus is in the red right now and that a reverse alert will be sent out to folks, alerting them to that fact. The county judge is also working on putting in another COVID county testing site because of this surge.
And I'm also going to be talking about doing some testing for Port A as well.
The judge is also urging anyone who needs to get a booster shot to go and get one. Annette Rodriguez says those boosters will raise your protection against COVID to over 80%. Experts also believe that the booster shots will greatly help to keep you from ending up getting seriously sick. Michael Gibson, 3 News.